Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to make a Panner Makhani recipe. This is totally veg recipe, so anything will go with this: roti, chapati, parotha. You can serve this recipe, and very quickly and very easily you can make this. And I'm going to use today micro oven, and the best part is I'm not going to use any oil in this. So do not skip the video in middle. Let's get started. For this recipe I have taken 200 grams of paneer. So here I am chopping 2 large tomato. If you don't have the large size of tomato, you can go with 3 or 4 tomatoes if the size is very small. So I chopped all the tomato. Now I am going to put in mixer grinder and I blend it nicely. If you don't want to do these steps also, you can go ahead, no problem, but I have done so it will make little faster cooking. And I have added salt here, half teaspoon salt I have added. Now I am going to keep it in micro oven for 2 minutes. This can be 2 to 2.5 minutes also you can keep. And I am going to cover the bowl with this kind of micro oven proof lid. This is micro oven safe. So I am going to cover this and wait for 2 minutes, and then I will remove this. After 2 minutes I have now I need to take out this, and we'll mix it little bit, and then I will keep it for another 2 minutes. So here you can adjust the 5 minutes as you want. After mixing well, I kept this for 2 minutes, and now we will marinate our paneer. So paneer is here. I am going to add now red chili powder 1 teaspoon and half teaspoon of black pepper powder, salt to taste, and this is ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste. We'll mix it all these things very well. If you have time, you can marinate the paneer before also. So as much time you can give for marination, that is good. I was not having time, so I am doing now only. I am going to add now a paste. It has poppy seed and cashew nuts. You can take 10 to 15 cashew nuts and 2 to 3 tablespoons of poppy seeds. Put it in a mixer grinder, mix it very well, and I have added this. So we will mix with the paneer. I am going to add now Kashmiri red chili powder. It will give a nice color. We are not using here turmeric powder for this recipe. Mix it really well, and we'll keep it aside. And now I am going to check the tomato, what is the condition. And here I need to tell you one thing. I did not add the sauce here, tomato sauce, but you definitely add the tomato sauce here, hot and sour or sweet, any kind of tomato sauce you can add here. Our tomato cooked for 2.5 minutes now, and it is done almost. I am going to remove this now from the micro oven. It's too hot. Okay, here is our tomato. It's almost cooked. Now this is the paneer mixture which we have kept for last few minutes, and I am going to keep this inside the micro oven, and I will cook it for 2 minutes again. You can cook it for 2.5 minutes also. After 2 minutes, now I am going to remove this from micro oven, and I'll be adding remaining ingredients what all required for this, and then I will keep it again inside the micro oven for another 2 minutes. So here is our paneer mixture is cooked for 2 minutes, and now I am going to add this paneer to with the tomato puree which we have cooked already. So both the things once we'll mix it. Now I have added all the paneer with tomato puree. Now I am going to add green chili. Here I am adding sugar free. If you don't want sugar free, you can add regular sugar. Adding 1 teaspoon butter. I am taking 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk. You can use whole fat milk. Adding the milk here. I have cleaned the same bowl and I have added the milk. Now I am going to keep this again in a micro oven for 2 minutes. Once it will done, I am going to take out this from the micro oven. Now I am adding 2 teaspoons fresh cream. Now I am adding dry roasted kasuri methi. At this time you can check your dish sugar salt level, and that as per your requirement you can change. After adding the kasuri methi, I am going to add salt little bit. I have checked already. And now I am adding garam masala powder, 2 teaspoon garam masala powder. You can add and mix it very well, and we will keep this mixture again into the micro oven for 2 minutes. This is the last time we are keeping this into the micro oven, and once it will done, our dish will be ready. So total 10 minutes we are taking for to make this recipe, but it will be ready within 8 minutes only. 2 minutes I took extra because I cooked the tomato 2 times. Paneer and tomato, why I keep separate, because tomato is having little sourness, so which will make the paneer little harder. So I don't want that, so that I kept first separately, then I cooked it together. So here is our paneer makhani is ready. I'll be taking out this and we will do the plating. So here is our no oil paneer makhani is ready. Do try it at home and share your feedback in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and bell icon you definitely press it, so you will get all the notification whenever I'll upload a new recipe. I am going to keep here 2 coriander leaves and 1 green chili. So I am going to enjoy this recipe with my parathas, and I'll be meeting with you some interesting recipe. Till the time, take care. Thank you for watching.